ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kandailat Shillong, ka Three Olives Restaurant, balak play nakbantaban Shakriya P, hapo ka jingada jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom, ka Jakai Lekai Bapaw ha Shillong, balayada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, balale da ka Meva Enterprise.
Ha ka Manifesto jong ka Hill State People Democratic Party, kalapan pao ya ka jing ang not ban yoi ba ka inaline permit kan trekam hapo ka ni ka jilla Meghalaya, wat la ka yeng dorbar thao an jong ka jilla kaladep menjur, ya ka resolution ha ka khat khandai tarik uno pra arajar khat khandai ban pentrekam ya ka inaline permit ha ka ni ka jilla. Habaya keren bat kilat pathai kubor unong yalam jong ka sengsan perthai Hspdp uba Renikton El Tongkhar uba longru menteri jong ka sorkar jilla ulaong bawat la ka jingya keren halor ka inaline permit ha ka jingwan yu kejat jong menteri ka tanat ki kampo yeng jong kari u Amit Shah hanong ba shalong dangshen kamshim lalong ka ba saiso Henry uba Renikton ulapan pao balik se ha ka jingwan biang jong u Amit Shah syakani ka nong ba shalong ha ubanay leber arazar arpuway ka jingya keren bat ka sorkar lembat ki seng bahalang kan salong ka ba saiso.
My view as a Hspdp leader and as a minister of the government of Meghalaya, I'm concerned we have passed the resolution by the assembly, and of course from the party side we have been demanding this for quite a long time about the implementation of ILP in the state of Meghalaya. We expect the central government to respond positively, but till now the central government did not respond. So of course I'm concerned, but what can we do? Whatever we can do from our side we have done. So now of course we will not stop, we'll keep requesting, we'll keep demanding, but that's all. You see, it is a central subject, so we have to wait for that. I think we saw through the newspaper that he wants to come to the state and to meet with NGOs, and maybe he'll have time to meet with us, because last time when he came here we met him but we could not talk to him, we just met for a photo only. And of course we have just handed over the letter from the government, I mean from the cabinet, we have just handed over the letter to him, but we didn't talk anything. So hopefully when he come next time he will have like what he said, that he'll stay for 2 days time. So maybe we as a political party, or if not political party, as a government, as MDA government, I hope we'll have time to discuss with him in detail about the ILP. Totally taken that we want ILP. There's no doubt. It's very clear. So, but now is that for the delay, what can we do more? I think that's more time to discuss and to think what should we do, which is to help to get that. So I cannot tell you right now what can we do, because we have to discuss even at the party level. In one word, happy, of course, I will not say I'm happy, because you see, our manifesto speaks that even in the during the election, we have expressed in the manifesto that we want ILP to be implemented in the state of Meghalaya. So I'm not happy, of course, but as I said, that of course this government that we are working together has done its best by passing the resolution, and I think I'll have no blame to this government, to MDA government. So now, of course, about the attitude of the central government, of course I'm concerned, but I think let's see in the days to come what can we do. About that MRSSA also, if that at least is passed, at least we can start to implement that. So let's wait and see, because of course we understand that there are some different in the implementation of ILP and MRSSA, but to some extent it has given protection to the local people, to the influx. We hope it will have a control on the inflow. So let that be implemented. Of course, we are keen, even though we have demanded, we want that ILP to be there. But if not ILP, till they are still considering the ILP, let MRSA be implemented. You see that we can't say the mind of the center, but if you see the statement of our governor, of course he has stated that ILP is not good for the state. So, but we can't say because the entire government, especially Amit Shah, is still saying that he's still looking, still considering. So we can't say till when they'll understand whether it is good for the state, as we understand, as we believe that it is good for the state of Meghalaya. For example, you see people who comes, of course, they want free movement, but ILP also, as because the rules will be made, and we will frame in such a way that will not disturb, even though ILP is implemented in the state of Meghalaya. We will see that the rules that will be framed, it will not affect the free flow of tourists in the state of Meghalaya. So I don't see that it will be a problem to tourists. But of course, everybody has their own view. So we are free to express our own views. Governor also has expressed according to his understanding. And of course, I respect that statement given by the governor. But of course, every individual have his own view.